This video that I'm making is based on how to mute Siri and how to get rid of this annoying beeping sound. So, how do I mute Siri?
Let me think about that.
Okay, the way to
answer your question.
The way to mute Siri is, and this is
I found 13 places matching meat. Tap the one you want.
Okay. The way of doing it is just basically just being on this menu right here and pretty much just using the volume button to mute Siri and this annoying sound. So right now I'm on the menu and I'm going to turn down the volume. And this volume is just only for Siri. And you could do as low as you want. If she talks too loud, you could lower it. And as you can hear, that it sounds like not that annoying. Or you turn it all the way down and you won't be able to hear the sound. You mute it. So, but you'll still be able to talk to her and communicate with Siri. All you're doing is just muting her. So she won't talk to you, but you could read what she's saying here. Shut up, Siri. So, this is what she says. That's not nice. So, she could hear you, but you can't hear her. So, that's how you mute Siri. And it doesn't mess with any other functions of your. It'll mess with your ringtones or your other volume. So that's the way you get rid of that annoying sound. So hopefully you like this video, and yep, that's about it. So now I could push this button all I want and you don't hear that sound. So have fun.